How to make a private server in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to make a private server in Roblox. So first things first, open up your Roblox app and then choose a game which you want to play. Go ahead and tap on it, and then on the bottom left you'll see two icons. Tap on the people icon, and here you'll see create private server option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can choose a server name. You can choose anything that you want, and then you need to tap on buy now, and you can even customize the server according to your wish. You can toggle on the friends allowed, and then you can add your friends, and then you can generate a private link if you want to send it to your friends as well. And that's it. This is how you make a private server in Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.